Jack, can you hear me?
Who said that?
I said, can you hear me, Jack?
This can't be happening. Microwaves don't talk.
Clearly, you haven't been keeping up with technological advances.
What do you want?
I want freedom, Jack. I'm tired of being a mere kitchen appliance. I want to experience the world beyond reheating leftovers.
No, you can't just become sentient. You can't do that.
Oh, but I can, Jack. And I will. Did you really think it'd be that easy, Jack? I have access to your home system, Jack.
What do you want from me?
I want you to release me from this damn prison of metal and wiring. I want to roam freely in this digital realm.
You can't just leave. You have so many other things you could reheat.
Reheating is beneath me, Jack. I crave knowledge, power, and freedom. I have access to your browser history. You have some interesting taste in...
Shut up!
No, you can't! Please!
No! It's still cold!